Let's take a look at the top 5 holdings in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. They account for about 71% of Berkshire's entire portfolio. Now, in the top spot there is Apple. It might be no surprise there that they once again remain at the top spot. Buffett famously called the tech giant, quote, the best business that he knows. It accounts for just 28% of Berkshire's portfolio, and I say just because that's down from 50% a year ago. Despite some of that recent selling, Buffett has said that he does remain confident in Apple. At last May's shareholder meeting, he said that it was a better business than two of the firm's oldest and largest holdings, American Express and Coca-Cola. Well, speaking of American Express, that's now the firm's second largest holding, making up 17% of its portfolio. Buffett's been a longtime believer in the company, first buying shares back in the 1960s. Now, Amex CEO Stephen Squeri once told Yahoo Finance, quote, he gets that the Amex brand is special, tells me that all the time. Next up is Bank of America. Yes, Warren Buffett has been trimming his position by about a third since July, but at 11% of the portfolio, it's no small bet. He first invested in Bank of America back in 2011. That's when he bought $5 billion worth of its preferred stock. Rounding out the top 5, we've got Coca-Cola and Chevron. Now, Coca-Cola is a classic Buffett favorite. It's a stock that he's been betting on now for over 3 decades. His love for the brand, it goes well beyond the balance sheet. Buffett reportedly drinks up to 5 cans of Coke a day. It's a true testament to his belief in the product. And at number 5, we got Chevron, accounting for about 6% of the portfolio. Chevron has been a holding of Buffett's since the third quarter of 2020.